Put the pieces together wrong side to wrong side. This is backwards from how we usually do it. You're pinning on the line, but you're actually going to stitch 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch from the cut edge. Trim the seam allowance to about 1/8 of an inch. Remove the pins and press open. Then turn and press the seam allowance closed. So now you have the right sides together with a stitching line on both sides. Stitch it and press all the seam allowance to one side. This is a very wide French seam that can be much narrower. For the fake French, mark a stitching line 1 inch from the raw edge. Pin stitching line to stitching line, right sides together. Stitch and trim the seam allowances so they're exactly the same size. Press the seam allowance open, then press both edges to the center without crossing the stitching line. Stitch the folded edges of the seam allowance together and give it a good press.